In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up folders in Notion in just 5 minutes. This is a straightforward process, but being familiar with Notion setup can make your workspace much more organized and efficient. First, ensure you're logged into the right workspace. Head over to your connected workspace where you manage your wikis, documents, and projects. If you're not logged in yet, you'll need to do that first. Once you navigate to the Notion homepage, you'll see the login option there. Just click on it and enter your credentials to access your workspace. This is the foundation for setting up your folders, as it's where all your documents and pages will reside. Now, let's continue to the main site of Notion, which is known as Notion Home. This is essentially the dashboard from where you can manage all of your pages effortlessly. Once you've entered Notion Home, choose the page you wish to organize. This will become a central hub for the folders you're about to create. With your designated page open, start by typing the command /toggle. This command will initiate the toggle list feature, which is a splendid way to simulate folders within Notion, as Notion doesn't use traditional folders like other platforms. When you type toggle, you'll see the option to add a toggle list. Simply click on it to proceed. The toggle list is a nifty feature allowing you to create collapsible lists where each item can hold other content, effectively letting you organize your information hierarchically. With this, you can start adding either pages or links to specific pages under each toggle item, enhancing your organizational capabilities. You can organize items by projects, categories, or however best suits your workflow needs. Just click and type in your folder titles. Then add any relevant items or links underneath these toggles. If you're linking to existing pages, highlight the text in the toggle's content box and choose the Link to Page option. It's an excellent way to ensure that all relevant materials are just a click away. Repeat this step as necessary until all the items you require are included. The flexibility here is fantastic because you can easily drag and drop or move items around as your priorities and projects evolve. By setting up your folders in this way, you create a clear structure that simplifies navigation and makes your workspace visually neat and efficient. This makes finding documents quicker and allows for a much cleaner workspace area. With these tips, you'll be managing your Notion space like a pro in no time, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. That's all there is to it. You've just learned how to set up folders in Notion quickly and effectively. See you in the next video, where we'll explore more tips and tricks to keep your digital life running smoothly.